ऑल्सो द मिस्टेक्स आर द नेचुरल पार्ट ऑफ लर्निंग प्रोसेस. अगर हम गलतियाँ नहीं करेंगे तो हम सीखेंगे कैसे. सो डोंट बी अफ्रेड टू मेक मिस्टेक्स. Hello guys, so welcome back to another video of how to speak English in simple steps. So thanks for showing so much of love to my previous video. So the next video which I am making for you guys is how to be confident while speaking English. So चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. प्लीज़ ये वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा. ऑल्सो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, मेरी वीडियोज़ को लाइक करिए. थैंक्स फॉर शोइंग सो मच लव. थैंक यू. Being confident while speaking English is an essential skill that not only improves one's language but also boosts self-esteem. In this YouTube video, I will share some important tips on how to be confident while speaking English. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So the tip number 1 is practice regularly. To build confidence while speaking English, it is important to practice consistently. Engage in conversation with native speakers. Watch English language movies, listen to English songs, read newspaper or read any English subject. Also guys, even practicing in front of the mirror can help build confidence and can improve your fluency. So guys, the tip number 2 is focus on your grammar. English grammar rules can be complicated and daunting, but having a strong foundation in grammar can help you boost confidence and improve your speaking. Make sure to practice and study grammar on daily basis. You can write 3 words daily from any novel, newspaper, so that you learn new things. Tip number 3 is learn basic phrases and idioms. Idioms means पर्यायवाची, like अंधों में काना राजा, or मतलब like this. You guys can understand. Learning common phrases and idioms is the most excellent way to improve your fluency in any language. Learning common phrases and idioms is the most excellent way to improve language fluency and you can sound more natural while speaking. Focus on learning phrases that are common in everyday conversation and incorporating them into your speech. So guys, the tip number 4 is watch and observe. It means लोगों को देख के सीखिए या लोगों को देखिए एंड सीखिए. लोगों को देख के भी हमें काफ़ी सीख मिलती है. When learning English, it is important to watch native English speakers or any other language speakers. This can help with pronunciation, intonation, and understanding common phrases and idioms. Also, you can try watching English language movies. You can listen to songs as said earlier, and you can watch English movies. You can read English newspaper like Times of India or Hindustan Times or any other English newspaper which you want to read, or you can read some English magazines or novels so that you guys can read and learn. Also you guys can watch English podcasts so you guys can know more about language and the culture. So guys, the tip number 5 is practice the relaxation. Like breathe. क्योंकि बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि जैसे अगर हम इंग्लिश बोलना चाह रहे हैं तो हम अंदर से घबराने लगते हैं. सो आप उसके लिए मेडिटेशन कर सकते हैं, जिसको मैं अभी आगे समझाऊंगा. इससे आप मेडिटेशन कर सकते हैं अपना माइंड रिलैक्स करने के लिए. थोड़ी ग्रीन टी पी सकते हैं जो रिलैक्सेशन वाली आती है. स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली कैन बी नर्व रैकिंग, जस्ट लाइक मी ऑफ कोर्स, स्पेशली इफ़ यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इन योर एबिलिटीज़. Practicing relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing or visualization can help build confidence and reduce anxiety. So guys, the tip number 6 and the most common tip is be patient and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of life. Mistakes are a natural part of learning, and making mistakes is no sin. Also, the mistakes are the natural part of learning process. अगर हम गलतियाँ नहीं करेंगे तो हम सीखेंगे कैसे. सो डोंट बी अफ्रेड टू मेक मिस्टेक्स. इंस्टेड सी देम एज अ अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इम्प्रूव एंड लर्न समथिंग फ्रॉम इट. बी पेशेंट एंड सेलिब्रेट स्मॉल सक्सेस along the way. Guys, in conclusion, being confident while speaking English is a skill that can be developed by consistent practice and dedication. सो हार मत मानिएगा, बिल्कुल आराम से इंग्लिश सीखिएगा और घबराने वाली कोई बात नहीं है। कोई हंसे, कोई मजाक उड़ाए, कोई बात नहीं, कुछ टाइम बाद आप बहुत ही अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलना सीख जाएंगे। रिमेंबर टू प्रैक्टिस रेगुलरली, फोकस ऑन योर ग्रामर, learn common phrases and idioms, watch native language speakers, whichever language you are learning, like Korean, English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Punjabi, anything. Practice relaxation techniques, do alom vilom, drink green tea or Red Bull or anything you want to have some. And the most important thing is be patient. आराम से सब हो जाएगा, घबराने वाली बात कुछ नहीं है। Also, by these tips, you can improve English language skills, build confidence in your ability to speak fluently. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, subscribe. Thank you.